So this is a kit, you guys, on the reshop.com. We're doing another one of, I love this. It's Home Sweet Home. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can see, pardon me. It's got, actually looks like it has the bricks. It's got the, you know, the natural color here. Pardon me. So we are going with, we have the 15-inch work frame using the natural and the gray. This is the new, one of the new mesh, you guys. It's the wide, it's not the wide foil, it's the wide mesh. What I did, you guys, was I started with the 10-inch poofs around the side. I cut I did cut the pieces for the outside at 30 inches. So I just measured these two out together and cut those at 30 inches. The ones for the top row, I did at 20 inches. So we're gonna take one of each, of course, and just alternate between the two. And again, you're just gonna let it roll in and then just crinkle it up. Hey, Janet. And we're gonna go around to each twist tie. Make sure you are pushing it all the way to the frame and give it 2 good twists, so you guys, so it stays in, so in case you decide to try to ruffle, it doesn't pull right back out. Top ones I did cut at 20 inches. Now some people do undo their twist ties, some do not. I do, but again, you do not have to. So we have nice, full, big puffy wreath. So pretty. And we do have our house sign that I just love. Love, love, love. And probably what we'll do, excuse me, y'all, my nose has been so itchy. We'll probably do our big bow here coming down, and we'll do all of our tails. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and make a pretty bow. Now, I love these ribbons. Picked out some super, just soft, pardon me, kind of, what do you want to call them? Neutral is what the word I was looking for. Neutral colors. We have this color that Sarah and I both love. It's the clover green. We have the 1.5 inch natural with the white polka dots. Y'all, the lighting in here is kind of crazy. Hey, Becky. Then we have the gray and white, and we have the black and natural. Okay. So of course, we'll do the big bow in the back, and we'll probably layer this some since we only have 4 ribbons. But we can make it nice and cute under the nice big bow underneath the house. And we're just going to do our 2 big loops. We may actually do 4 with this one this time. Why not? Hey Lulu, how are you? Okay, so y'all, I'm just doing 2 loops with this one. Y'all, I was looking thinking, this ribbon seems awfully light. Hello, because I already, oh, sorry y'all. Yikes, because I already cut the tails. Hello. All right, so we have 2 loops going up, 2 loops going down, and our tails. So we're going to go ahead and do, let's see, we'll do the natural next, which is super cute with the polka dots. Just twist it, layer the loops. Always make sure I stay in the middle too. I have a bad habit of getting out of the middle. Okay, and we'll end up with the gray. Love this color. So pretty. Love it, love it. And we'll finish off, well, actually we'll just finish off this way. Now this, you guys, is a super kind of easy pattern and stuff to do, but would be really pretty if you have greenery in that. Hey, Claudia. And, you know, if you had some magnolia flowers, excuse me, or some boxwood greenery, would be super pretty. But some people just, you know, like to go back to the simple, especially after going all out at Christmas time. Sometimes it's like we just want to go a little quiet, right? So we're going to take our loops and we're going to go right here to the middle of the frame. And if you, hey Liz, if you put it, oh, thank you, Claudia. If you put it down through the mesh, you guys, it also likes to help it, the ribbon or the bow stay kind of up on top instead of looking like it gets buried in there. Oh my gosh. I say that and then it doesn't want to cooperate and go through the mesh. Come on now. And then we're just going to play with the bow. Get all nice and fluffed out. And you can leave your tails longer, make them shorter wherever you wish. Either way is fabulous. Missing a tail. Okay, we're going to give these just a snip at the end. Hey, Foy, how are you? Yes, y'all, even have my trash can right here, so I can just flick it right in the trash. What? My husband's teased me ever since I cleaned it up here. I come down, he's like, is it still clean? I'm like, yes, yes it is. Thank you so much. All right, you guys. Love the bow, love the bow. And always like to make sure that, stop fighting, you know, you have that nice, fun fountain look to your loops and your tails. Gives it life in there. Love it, love it. All right, we're going to take our, actually we're going to go ahead and put, we'll go ahead and put all our ribbon tails around the bottom, and then we'll put our sign, okay? So here we're going to go through and we're going to add tails to all of our twist ties. Okay, hey Liza. So like I said, what? All nice and cut and clean. So we're going to take the gray and the natural. Can't get it to separate. Okay. Let's see. I think we're going to do the gray. Question of the day. What do I want to do? Two stripes together. So we're going to mix the green and the stripe. Hey, Yvonne, with the polka dots and the stripe. Okay. Oops. There we go. So we're just going to grab two of these. And you'll just kind of gather them together in the middle. And then on the outside, I like to give them just a little, almost like a V. So that way, when you put it in your twist ties, they kind of all face out. Okay, give it several good twists so you know it's in there. These over to our polka dots. I think I'm going to do the gray on the top. Like I said, you guys, this is a great kit to make for your door, for a gift, list on your Etsy page. But if you get this, you know, just use this recipe. But going on the reshop.com, she has tons. Hello, Lynn from Wisconsin. She has tons of new greenery in. This is really pretty, adding magnolias to it. Love it. Hey, Christy. You know, or adding just greenery. Or just leave it like it is, whichever you so choose to do. Now this on top is where you can actually do your X, so it kind of covers both, you know, going down, or you can aim them out, whichever you so choose. You're just Xing, making an X, separating the colors, giving their little fountain so they're not just laying in there. right, y'all. So there is that with the bow. I know it's hard to see, but we're going to go over here and we're going to add in our sign, kind of sitting, I don't know if we want it on the bow or kind of catty corner from the bow. I think we're going to go in just like this. We'll fix the ribbons, of course, so don't worry. Go right through. If you need to, you can go right through the mesh. If you want to dig around it, you can. Okay, and of course, we'll come back, you guys, where the sign is and fix our tails. No worries. They get a little squished, but it's totally fine. All right, we're going to go through and fix our things, y'all. And like I said, super fast, super easy. But this one is a kit that's already put together, so you can actually just select and purchase the kit.